Welcome to the CE.way presentation about the cosmetic product information file. In this presentation, we are going to talk about the product information file as described and requested in the EU Cosmetics Regulation 1223/2009. This regulation is also applicable in the EFTA countries. The regulation makes a clear request that every cosmetic product placed on the EU market must have a product information file by saying, when a cosmetic product is placed on the market, the responsible person shall keep a product information file for it. The product information file shall be kept for a period of 10 years, following the date on which the last batch of the cosmetic product was placed on the market. The product information file, therefore, has to be kept by the responsible person. The responsible person has to make the product information file readily accessible in electronic or other format to the competent authorities of the member state in which the product information file is kept, at his address indicated on the product label, available in a language which can be easily understood by the competent authorities of the member state where the responsible person is established. The product information file should be made readily accessible at one single address within the EU. Since it has to be kept by the responsible person, as we've seen earlier, this means that there should only be one responsible person per product in the EU. It is important to remember that the product information file has to be fully compliant with the provisions set out in the regulation before the notification can be performed. Click here to find out more about the notification or watch our clip about it. The product information file must also always be kept updated and compliant with the regulation. So what does the product information file actually contain? The PIF has to contain certain information and data about the product, like a description of the cosmetic product enabling the product information file to be clearly attributed to the product, the cosmetic product safety report, on which we will present a bit more on the next slide, a description of the method of manufacturing, and a statement on compliance with the good manufacturing practice principles, proof of the effect claimed for the product, if relevant, any data on animal testing performed by the manufacturer, his agents, or suppliers. The Cosmetic Product Safety Report consists of two parts: Part A, Safety Information, and Part B, Safety Assessment. Safety information consists of a number of different ingredients, product and packaging specifications, product test results, information about the foreseeable use of the product, etc. Based on these, the product safety assessment is performed. The safety assessor performing the safety assessment has to have proper qualifications, such as a university degree in pharmacy, toxicology, medicine, or a similar discipline, or a course recognized as equivalent by a member state. Please remember that cosmetic products already on the EU market, which have been notified under the Directive 76/768/EEC, have to undergo a safety assessment according to the new regulation in order to be compliant with it. We hope you found our presentation useful. More information about the product information file can be found on our website. You can also contact us via email or through social media channels to find out more.